Hello guys, this is Taurus King. Okay, so welcome to my Taurus area. Okay, now I'm going to teach you again how to create better leads. Okay, I was created a tutorial before, but that's not was good. Okay, really. So I am creating this tutorial again how to create better leads. So this is free tutorial. For paid tutorials, you can join my paid group. There will be available the paid tutorial soon. So okay, that's only $20 to join my paid group. You can hit me up. My user name on Telegram is store is king. Okay, so let's start. First of all, the for creating leads, you must have to get the tools like Numify, and the most important thing is Silver Bullet and the proxy. That's all the tools required in creating leads. But before that, you have to find the area codes. You have to target the area codes for the specified bank. For that, you have to use internet. Yes, you have to use your internet to get the specified area code for a particular bank. So let's start how to get the you have here. It's a I have a website called bankbranchlocator.com. That is the normal website. I can tell you in free that you can use, and that is the best to create your own area code, on targeted area code. Okay, so here is you can use your mind to create your own targeted area code. You can find this website. This is bankbranchlocator.com. Okay, once you open the website, you will get this interface. Here you in top right corner, here will be option bank. Go to this and search the bank name. Search by the bank name, like I am finding for Huntington Bank. Okay, so I can search Huntington Bank. Okay, once I search Huntington Bank, scroll up, and here you say there is the state, and which is deeply colored, that means there is the more branches. Like if I see MI, that is the most of the branches, and OH have most of the branches. Scroll up and let's see which state have how many branches. You can see there are two states which have the highest number of branches, that is Michigan and the Ohio. So Michigan is 309 branches, and you can see the Michigan is pretty much pretty much bigger than Ohio. Okay, so this is bigger but have only 300 one branch is like 309 branches. Okay, but Ohio is like smaller than Michigan, but it have 341 offices. That means in Ohio it is a smaller area and bigger number of branches. That's the good thing. So we can target Ohio. Just like click on the Ohio, and now you will get this interface. Here by this you can select by branches, that is level at 26 branches. By this map you can also select and target the cities, but you can still scroll up, and here you see Akron have like it have almost 10 branches. So you can take this in your note that Akron is a city which have the highest number of branches. Then you can scroll down to which city have more branches, like Canton has more branches, like Cincinnati has the more branches. So you can select the cities. Once you selected all those cities which have the numbers of branches, that means many numbers of branches, then close the interface and go to Google and just search all of the cities, the area code of all of the cities, like this. Let me show you how, like this Canton area code. And whenever you will get, so I search all of the cities area code and write it in this form. Okay, once you write it the area code, these are the area codes for Huntington Bank. This will give you better results. Okay, so then after just come to my RDP and open my Numify tool. Here select the country code and area code, everything read. And you don't know how to use Numify, you can ping me. For buying Numify you can contact the developer, which is Aswin. And if you don't know how to get Numify, you can just DM me, I will help you to get this tool. Okay, let me close this interface, and yeah, let me open it again to show you how to use NumVerify. Okay, let me open the NumVerify again, and now you have to just log in. And first of all you have to generate the numbers. That is the first process of creating leads. For generating the number, here you see there is option 1 for generating number. So here enter the option 1 and press enter. It's asking the country code without plus. Okay, so this is 1, and it's asking the area code. So paste all the area codes you created. So like I have to copy this all area codes and paste it here. So I just copied this area code and paste this here. Once I done this, press enter. Now here you see enter the length of remaining digits, that is 7. Okay, press enter. How it's 7, let me explain you. There is area code. Area code is basically the 3 digits number, the first 3 digit numbers of a particular number. Okay, that's called area code. So the 7 digit left, that is remaining digits, is 7. For a particular number, the remaining digit is 7, so write it 7 here. Now you have to tell that how many numbers you want to generate. Like I want to just generate like 30,000. Okay, just press enter. Now it will ask how would you like to generate, stable, fast, or maybe so just stable. I want to generate just stably. Okay, so it will not take more time to generate it. It's faster. You like you seen, it's already 10,000 generated, and in within a minute it will be generated. So just hold on. Okay, now it's generated. Just press enter and come here, login it again. And now after once you generated the number, you will get a generated file here, right here, that the generated numbers. Okay, in there. So after that you have to do HLR lookup. What is a HLR lookup? HLR lookup is called basically carrier lookup, that will define a particular number of that, which carrier is that, which number is fake, which number is real, and which is bad number. So for that you have to press 2 and enter. For doing HLR number, you have to use proxy, and it will ask how many threads you want to use. Basically normally I will enter 200, that's the maximum I can use. Then it will ask which type of proxy you want to use. So what is a proxy? Proxy is basically a IP address which will help you to change your IP, and you know, proxy you are already have used before 911 this type of, but I am currently using HTTP proxy. You can basically use SOX 4 and SOX 5 proxies, but HTTP proxies, for proxies you can buy from master proxy. It's a good proxy. Okay, so you can buy from masterproxy.atshop. I will give the link, okay, in description, and everything you will get there. Okay, so just enter HTTP right here and then press enter. Okay, after you press enter, you have to select your generated file. Okay, generated file means the numbers you have generated. Just select it. After you select it, you have, there are 3 options. You can use proxy scrap API. So let me tell you something about proxy scrap API. You can use your custom API also, but the proxy scrap API basically captures the free proxies from the internet, and it will automatically loaded in the Numify, and you will be used free proxies automatically, but that will be little bit slower than the paid proxy, very slower. But if you use paid proxy, that will fast. So I am using paid proxy, so I will just load it from my proxy file. So press 1 and here is my proxy file. I just open it and you see proxy loaded, and it will start validating HLR. And you see there is a good CPM. For getting good CPM, you must have to use a good RDP with a good graphics card and RAM-ROM. That's all. And you have basically use good proxy which will give you higher CPM. That's master proxy, HTTP paid proxies. Okay, this is residential proxies. Okay, so just hold on for the leads to be generated. It's already 1400 completed, so it will take a little bit time. So for that we can just hold on. Yeah, we can hold on or do something else, like I can show you let me show you. For example, once you validated the HLR, you will get these types of files, that is fixed line, mobile. This will show you which type of number is bats, all of the numbers, which is VoIP numbers, which is other kind of number, which is mobile numbers, and which is fixed line. Basically you must have to use mobile numbers in spamming. And here you see which number is from which company, which carrier. That means like here I see the T-Mobile and Metro PCS and all those. Okay, so here I can find T-Mobile here. Let me see. T-Mobile. T-Mobile. Here is T-Mobile. Okay, so here you see I found T-Mobile. I have, this was Wells lead I generated. So here you see I have 28,958 T-Mobile's numbers. So that's this. Okay, so once you see this kind of thing, so after you do HLR validate, you will get these results. And once you done, just hold on, like see it's 3700 already checked, so hold on for it will be completed soon. Once you done the HLR validating, you have to do what? You have to do the second validation, which is, let me show you the second validation, which is Amazon validate. Let me show you. Just log in. Once you logged in, you have to do 5 number. I will suggest you doing 5 number Amazon validate. Actually Amazon validated for a particular carrier number, like you will get a particular file for T-Mobile numbers, so you have to validate that numbers with Amazon in order to confirm that that is a real number, a real person is using that number. So we also know that maximum people are using Amazon, yeah, which is real person and which is technically involved and using an Android phone and iOS is also using Amazon for his online shoppings and all. You can just do Instagram validate too, and you can do Facebook validation too, but better than that you can do Amazon validate. But accordingly US you can do Twitter validate too, it's also good. Once you done this Amazon validate, just use that Amazon hits number, that is Amazon numbers for office validate, that will do the login.live.com validate. That will be the result, and the numbers are registered with login.live.com. that will be Hotmail address, that will be Outlook address, that will be a particular business address. So that will be a good leads for you if you do Office 365 validation. Okay, or you can just do send out after doing Amazon validation on Instagram or any Twitter validation. That's the thing. And you can just the Yahoo number validator was good and AOL was also good, but these two are not working. So you can use your own configuration. You can get from me, and like Gmail remover, which will, after you done Amazon validate, you can remove the Gmails from the number. That will lead, like the numbers which is registered on gmail.com will be removed from the list. That means the numbers you will get is not registered from gmail.com. That means you will get maximum chance to get the another domain Gmail access, email access. At least you can't get Gmail more. You will get other domains like Yahoo accesses and Hotmail accesses. So these Gmails, if you get access and login ID and password, you can log in without 2FA. But if you get gmail.com, you must have to do the 2FA for login. That's why this is the process of the validating leads. And once you get your final targeted leads, you just go and do your send out. Let me quick teach you how to create a content. Okay, how to create a good content. So here is my notepad, and let me show you how to create a good content. Here you see this is WEL. Okay, so this is L. Okay, so I am writing Wells, but for creating good content I have to write Wells which will be not detected by the fraud system. For that I have to I can simply write a capital I which looks like L, but that's not real L. So this will encrypt my content, and I can do a / and then Fargo, FARGO, Fargo. So this will be the encrypted and content. Like I can write here your I can just avoid the maximum number of blocked words. Avoid that, like unsecure, secure link, like you have to avoid this. And for example, you can create your own unblocked content which can deliver 100%. Okay, that's all, bro. You just have to use your mind everywhere to get success in spamming. It's spamming for fooling. Spamming actually means fooling others mind by your mind. Okay, so you just have to use your complete mind. That's all. Once you're done, just let me close this video for now. If you not have joined my channel yet, just come on, bro, join here. This is my channel, which is stores we are good name by name, and it stores area by username, and my username is storage king, so join it fast. Okay, bye bye.